Over the past few months I've been on YouTube, I never knew that getting my first 4,000 watch hours to get my channel monetized would be so easy. This new method I'm about to share with you in this video is not your normal method of live streaming. It's not the normal way you go on live stream and show your face, and it's not also restream, and it's not also uploading longer videos to give you watch hours. I'm just here to tell you the new strategies in which you can get your watch hours really fast with no subscribers. You don't need any subscribers to start implementing or using this method, and we are just going to make use of two software. We are going to make use of our YouTube app, and we are also going to make use of Google. We are all familiar with Google, right? So first thing, you have to pick up your phone and go to Google. In this method of live streaming, you don't need to show your face. I'm just going to show you how this works and how you can actually do it the right way, and the strategies you need to use in order to keep viewers watching your videos or your live stream for a longer period of time. So when you come to your Google right here, just picture in your mind what kind of pictures or what kind of images could actually make people, or could possibly make people to come to your channel and stay and watch your video for like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 30 minutes, 2 hours, and all of those stuff like that. So when you figure it out, it will be very easy for you to start implementing it. Let me just check about nature, because people actually love something about nature. So you come to images, so you're going to see lots of images here. So while you are seeing this image, there are plenty of them. So what you just need to do is just to pick one image and download it. So you can actually download as many images as you want. Then you can go to free pick, like www.freepick.com, so that you can actually get free images, like images that like free image, free stock images, right? It's actually a website that you can actually go to get free stock. It's a free image to download. So when you click on it, it's going to, I don't know what's this network. So go to free pick so that you can get free images that you can actually download. So after downloading this image, what is the next thing for you to actually do? The next thing is for you to head over to your YouTube app, depending on the one you are going to do. Okay, I'm supposed to switch account, but let me just use this my account for the purpose of this tutorial. So what you just need to do is just to click on those plus button here, and you have seen options for live stream, short, all of those stuff like that. So the next thing you need to do, you actually need to click on live. So when you click on live, you can see that it's actually showing me because I'm actually recording a video, right? So in this method, you have two options. If you want to like just keep your phone like this and face whatever thing that is in your house or wherever you are, then you are talking while people cannot see you, you can click here to hide the camera, and you can just be talking while people are watching what is there. But would you be having the strength to be talking, unless maybe you have a second phone and you have a pre-recorded stuff and you can keep it close to the phone while it's playing, and your live stream is being shown like this? Whichever way is good for you is okay, but that's not the method I'm going to share with you in this video. So what you need to do, you just need to click on this pencil icon. So you actually need to name this live stream, because let people know what they are expecting from the live stream. If possible, you can type here nature is live, all those stuff, cozy weather, like anything, right? You can say cozy weather, or you can also say something about silent live stream, so that the moment people see it and click on it, they'll know what they are expecting. This visibility, you need to choose public so that anyone can search for and also watch your live stream. So after doing all of those stuff like that, the next thing you need to do, this advanced setting, they are not okay. You need to turn on all of this so that people can actually chat. And what you just need to do is just to click on next. If your channel is made for kids, you said yes. If it's not, you said no. Then you click on go live. So when you click on go live, you just wait for it to, I don't know if my network is strong. Yeah, finally we are live. So the next thing you have to do, yeah, we are live. So the next thing you have to do is just to go ahead and click on this. Sorry, you have to go ahead and click on this icon here. So when you click on this icon, you are going to see something like green screen. The only thing you can choose here is just images. The moment you click on it, the green screen will automatically show. But if you do not need any background, you click no background and let your background shows. If you need a green screen, you turn it off. Then these are the images I have on my phone. So I could either choose any of those. I can maybe choose my pictures. You can use your picture. It does not necessarily mean that it has to, someone has already liked the live stream. It does not necessarily mean thank you for liking. It does not necessarily mean that you have to use a cozy picture or anything. You can actually use your picture that you know that you can keep people longer watching. Thanks for joining, guys. So what you don't need to do, just go on my head here and click join. I'm not actually going to show my face, so this is how you can live stream. You can see, so when people come, what they are going to see is just my picture, and they'll be able to watch a live stream. Then this is something that you can actually stream for as long as you want it to be. Have a strong internet connection and have battery in your phone, so that this live stream, you know that you have data. You can stream for like 5 hours, 10 hours, 13 hours, 20 hours, because the more time you spend live streaming and people are watching, that is the more watch hours you are going to accumulating on your YouTube channel. So guys, this way is very, very easy and it's very, very stress free. You don't need to sit down at all while you are doing this. You can actually, be doing some other things in your house or shoot any other video why this thing is up. Then if you need a video about restream, make sure know that in this silent live stream you are just going to show a visual image and you are not talking. But in restream, you are going to play a video. You can actually make a tutorial video or any video related to your niche or anything you can know that to attract people to watch, and can just leave it. I even prefer that restream to this one, but just that sometimes this restream website might actually frustrate you, and you can actually go on live stream with YouTube, so that at the end of the day your channel will not get demonetized when it's monetized, or you will not get strike for reused content. Because with restream you get to be downloading other people's video and you make it to be your own. So guys, with this method you can easily either your first goal of 4,000 watch hours. Try out this method of live streaming, and trust me, you're going to give you a lot of watch hours. And bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video, guys. Don't forget to like and drop me a comment, subscribe and turn the bell notification, so you always get updated each time I bring a new video.